And welcome to Time with Lydia, the pharmacist. Today we want to explore some simple, natural ways that you can stop or treat an overactive bladder. So the first question we want to answer is, what is an overactive bladder? When your bladder is overactive, it causes a sudden urge to urinate, which can be very difficult to control. An overactive bladder makes you pass urine several times in the day and during the night. And it can even make sometimes your urine leak, which can get you to wet yourself unconsciously. So many things can make your bladder overactive, and these include drinking a lot of fluids, for example, drinking a lot of water. Other things include diabetes, hormonal changes during menopause, a urinary tract infection which has symptoms similar to when you develop an overactive bladder. These symptoms are known as frequency and urgency. Frequency is when you visit the washroom very often to pass urine, and urgency is the feeling that when you have to pass urine, it has to be immediate. These are symptoms that you can develop also when you have an overactive bladder. Drinking too much caffeine and alcohol are also things that can cause your bladder to become overactive. Also, there are some medications that can cause the urge to pass urine more frequently than normal. Other things include constipation, stress, and when you don't empty your bladder completely when passing urine. So now, if you develop an overactive bladder, you would feel a sudden urge to pass urine, which would be very difficult to control. You would urinate more than normal, that is more than 8 times in 24 hours. And you would wake up many times, that is more than twice during the night, to pass urine, and this is known as nocturia. Now let's move on to some easy natural ways that you can stop an overactive bladder. These are simple, natural lifestyle changes that can make a big difference to your life. So please do stick around, don't go anywhere. So the first thing you need to do is check the amount of fluids that you drink. When you drink a lot of fluids, obviously you're going to urinate a lot more than normal. So it's advisable to reduce the amount of liquid or amount of fluids that you drink. The first question you need to ask yourself is, am I drinking more than normal? Is it within the normal limit for an adult in a day, which is between 6 to 8 glasses of fluids? If it is more than necessary, then it means it's time to do something about it. It is very important that you find a balance and know the amount of fluids that is suitable for you. There are some people who would obviously pass a lot of urine because they're on medication. Not drinking enough too can make you dehydrated, and this has also got its own complications. So it's very important that you strike a balance. Know what is suitable for your body. It is also advisable that you limit foods and drinks that irritate the bladder. These include caffeine-containing drinks such as tea and coffee, alcohol, citrus fruits and juice such as grapefruits, oranges and lime, chocolates, spicy foods, and tomatoes. You can switch caffeinated drinks for non-caffeinated versions. For example, if you have to drink tea or coffee, you can go for the decaffeinated version. Other caffeinated drinks are fizzy drinks, energy drinks, and hot chocolate. You can replace these with herbal teas such as chamomile and peppermint tea, and also drink a lot more water. Maintaining a healthy weight can also help stop the symptoms of an overactive bladder. If you're overweight, losing weight can help ease the symptoms. So eat healthy and exercise as much as you can to lose weight and maintain a healthy weight. Not only will this help in you losing weight, but it would help boost your overall health as well as prevent chronic conditions such as diabetes and heart problems. One other thing that you need to do to treat and stop the symptoms of an overactive bladder is to manage constipation. Constipation can make the symptoms of an overactive bladder worse, and the advice here is to consume a lot of food that is high in fiber. To get more fiber in your diet, include a lot more fruits and vegetables. One other thing that you can do is to quit smoking if you smoke. Smoking can irritate the bladder and make the symptoms of an overactive bladder worse. And lately, there are ways that you can stop smoking. There are groups that you can join that would help motivate you to stop smoking, and there are nicotine replacement patches that you can purchase from your local community pharmacy that would help you quit smoking. If you live in the UK, for example, you can join a smoking cessation service that is provided by local community pharmacies. And there are people who are trained in these pharmacies who would help you through the journey of quitting smoking. So you see, these are very simple, natural ways that you can stop the symptoms and treat an overactive bladder. If after trying these natural tips, your symptoms do persist, then I would advise that you visit your healthcare provider for a thorough check and possible treatment with medication. I hope this short video is beneficial. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our educative content. Leave your comments and your questions in the comment section. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.